Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Well, font size customization is a matter of personal preference. Some individuals simply prefer larger or smaller text based on their visual comfort or aesthetic preferences. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, and then here you can choose display option. After that, here you can select font size and style menu. Okay, and then you can resize your phone device by moving the slider to the right or left according to your convenience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change font size on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.